Whenever you're feeling a bit frustrated, stressed, or like your chest feels heavy, let's use our breath and gentle movement to let it all go. Roll out your mat and let's slowly begin in a tabletop position. Hands under shoulders, knees under hips. Inhale, drop your belly, lift your heart and tailbone to the sky for cow pose. Exhale, run through your spine, tucking your belly in, gazing gently at your navel. Inhale into cow, feeling the beautiful stretch along the front of your body. And exhale into cat pose, lengthening through every single vertebra. One more time, inhale, open through your heart and hips. And exhale, round your back, pushing the floor softly away. Return to a neutral spine. Inhale, reach your right arm up to the sky, then thread it under your left arm, resting your shoulder and cheek softly on the mat. Stay here, or if it feels good, reach your left hand behind your back for a gentle twist. Take a deep, soothing breath. Carefully release your left hand, press up and let's switch sides. Thread your left arm through, resting down. Reach your right hand behind your back if you'd like a little extra chest opener. Just breathe, letting go of any leftover tension in your neck and shoulders. Unwind and press back up to tabletop. Walk your hands forward toward the top of your mat and let your chest melt down toward the floor into extended poppy pose. Rest your forehead or chin on the mat, whatever feels cozy for you today. Adjust your hands as wide as you need. Deep, nourishing breaths here. Slowly walk your hands back, come into tabletop, and then send your hips high to the sky for downward facing dog. Bend one knee at a time, pedaling out your feet, waking up the backs of your legs. Then drop both heels down softly, finding stillness here. Reach your right leg up to the sky, bend your knee, and draw your heel toward your glute into scorpion pose. Open that right hip up. Now look between your hands and step your right foot forward. Lower your back knee and top of the foot down. Inhale, sweep both arms up, lifting your chest. And with every exhale, sink your hips a little deeper. Now interlace your fingers behind your back. Inhale, open your chest. And as you exhale, send your hands gently back. Now release your hands down to the mat and press back into downward dog. Switch sides. Left leg reaches high. Bend your knee and open the left hip wide. Step your foot softly between your hands. Lower your right knee. And inhale, reach your arms up nice and high. Take a moment to ground down. Now interlace your fingers behind you, roll your shoulders back, and open your heart center. If it feels good, softly drop your head back. Beautiful. Now hands to the mat and press right back to downward dog. Deep breath in through your nose and a soft breath out. Step your right foot forward, spin your back heel down 45 degrees, cartwheel your arms up to warrior 2, sink into the front knee, reaching your arms out in both directions. Straighten your front leg, reach your right arm high and back to reverse triangle. Feeling that delicious stretch in your right leg side body. Rise up, reach forward, and dive into triangle pose, Trikonasana. Left arm up, gaze toward your left fingertips. Keep your chest open and proud. Now release both hands down and press back to downward for a sweet breath of rest. Step your left foot between your hands, set your back foot down, and rise up to warrior 2. Ground into both feet evenly. Now straighten your left knee and reach your left hand up and back for reverse triangle. Then rise back up and melt right into triangle pose. Open your right chest and shoulder up to the sky, both legs nice and strong. Hands down to the mat and press back into downward facing dog. Lower your knees, bend your elbows, and lower all the way down into your belly. Inhale, lift your chest into cobra pose. And lower down softly. Inhale, lift up again. Shoulders away from your ears, opening up your heart. Now press your hips back to child's pose. Then tuck your toes and lift your hips back to downward dog. Look forward, step both feet to your hands. Grab opposite elbows into a rectal fold and gently sway side to side. Let all that heaviness melt off your neck and head. Release your hands, find a halfway lift, then fold down. Slowly lower your hips and come to a seated position. Flex your feet, place your hands beside your hips, and sit up nice and tall into Dandasana, staff pose. Inhale, sweep your arms up, And exhale, hinge from your hips and fold over your legs. If your hamstrings feel tight, keep a soft bend in your knees. Listen to your body and just melt down and listen to the sweet sounds of your breath. Rise up and slowly roll down into your back. If you have hair tied up, loosen it so your neck feels nice and comfy. Now bend your knees, press into the floor, and carefully send your feet over your head into plow pose, Halasana. If it feels too intense on your neck or back, simply raise your legs straight up to the sky. Take a deep breath here. If you're in plow pose, maybe interlace your fingers behind your back. No rushing, no forcing. Slowly take a deep breath in and out. Now release your hands and slowly roll down vertebra by vertebra, relaxing all your muscles. Now for our counter pose, fish pose. Slide your hands under your glutes, palms facing down. Keep your legs together. Inhale, press into your elbows to lift your heart, and gently rest the crown of your head on the floor. Take a big, deep breath in and letting go of any heaviness or frustration trapped in your chest. This pose is so wonderful for opening up rounded shoulders and lifting your mood. Keep breathing here. Now release softly back down to the mat and rest your arms. Bend both knees, placing your feet mat width apart. Drop both knees over to the right. Lift your right foot and hook it over your left knee for a deep stretch. Gaze to the left. Let your body melt into the mat. Take a deep breath as you relax all the tension in your muscle. Release and bring knees to the center and let them fall to the left. Hook your left foot on your right knee, looking over to the right. Feel that lovely stretch in your front thigh and lower back. Return to center and extend both legs long. Let your arms rest beside you, palms up. Take a deep breath in through your nose and let it out with a big, satisfying sigh out through your mouth. Whatever emotions or thoughts are inside you right now, whether it's anger or stress, you don't have to force them away. Just acknowledge them. I feel this way right now. And let them be. With every exhale, let all that tension quietly drain out your body into the earth. Give yourself permission to simply be here and rest. Now gently wiggle your fingers and toes, waking up your body. Interlace your fingers above your head and take a full, delicious morning-style stretch. Now roll over to one side, using your hands to softly press yourself up to a comfortable cross-legged position. Let's take one last deep breath together. Inhale deeply and exhale it completely out. Carry this sense of peace with you for the rest of your day. And thank you so much for practicing with me today. Namaste. If this class helped you feel lighter, please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.